Hello guys, today we are going to learning about Python. And what is Python? Python is the most popular language in our world. We use to the Python in that Python's library like pandas, numpy, matplotlib and cburn also. Also big people use the Python to in the JavaScript, HTML, mathematics. So in that video, we see the some examples in that Python. So let's get started into our first Python video. Firstly, we need to open our Visual Studio Code in our desktop and then we create a new file. How to create that new file? Click that icon. Just I click that and you create your file. I don't create my file because I already created the file. Now when you create your file, you click that file and then left click your mouse and you see a pop-up show up new file. So click that and now name your file good.python. Now enter it and then now I am hashtagging it that starting Python course. That is the course I am creating. Now that is the course name, Python's course. Now firstly is the basic Python like a equals to 12, b is equals to 13, c is equals to 16. Now that time how to print it? You don't know how to print it. You type that print a and then another time print b, another time print c. Now when it's done, I am already created, so I means run that, means delete that. Now I run that file. Now see that the I inputted a equals to 12, this is come output. 13 output. C is equals to 16 output. That is the Python basic tutorial. Now you see that that is the basic Python. Now you see that how to plus 6. When I plus 6 8 and that is the this equations 6 and now another is double 12. Okay, I cannot say it, so don't mind. So run that file and you see that is the plus icon. It is plusing 12 plus 6 is equals to 18, b is equals to 13/6. This 2 point this will come. Now c is equals to 16 equal what hashtags to 12. Now that will come 192. So that is the equalization, how to equalize in that Python. That is the method 2, how to equalize in the Python. So that is my video. If you like my video, to subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon button. Part 2 will come soon. In that next video, you will wait for. Assalamualaikum.